Hey FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to just be browsing and run into my channel, please like and subscribe. And to all FK gang, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make some teriyaki salmon or salmon teriyaki, either way. Here are my ingredients for today, guys. This is my salmon, Wild Pacific salmon. And you can just run through garlic powder, garlic salt. All right, and I'll introduce each ingredients as we go along. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make the base, which is the basic right now. So here you can use water to replace the chicken broth. Half a cup of chicken broth, and this is 1/4 of a cup of tamari sauce. To this I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of my Thai kitchen all-purpose. To this I'm gonna add 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey, and to this I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of vinegar, rice vinegar, guys. And to this, guys, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So now I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of crushed pineapple, 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and guys, this is 2 cloves of pressed garlic. Okay guys, and I'll show you the next step, all right? So guys, on high heat, you bring this to a boil, constantly whisking, because you don't want it to burn and it gets really thick easily. And we're gonna do this, please don't leave it unattended, okay? And we're gonna do this for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's nice and thick. And guys, if it's too thick, just add a little bit of water to the thickness of your like, all right? Okay guys, with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm using garlic salt instead of salt. Okay guys, now you can come to the stove. So guys, with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, we're gonna put our salmon with the face down. I'm gonna have this for 5 minutes on one side, and then turn it over for another 5 minutes, all right? Okay guys, we're at the end of another segment, and I'm here to present my teriyaki salmon. I hope you guys enjoy. It is so good, guys. Hey my Asian crew, my Pacific Islanders, Fergie loves you. All right? Thank you so much for tuning in today. Please remember, Fergie loves you all. Enjoy. Bye-bye.